Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to upload a file from your computer to Google Drive using Windows. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com, then sign into your Google account. Next, click the new button in the left hand and choose File Upload. Then, when the Windows file picker appears, click this PC and open the drive where the file is located. After that, navigate to the file you want, select it and click Open. You will see an upload progress indicator in the bottom right of Google Drive. Finally, once the upload finishes, find the file in My Drive. You can right-click to move it into any other folder or rename it and share it with others. If you prefer drag and drop, simply open File Explorer, then open the drive where the file is located, then open Google Drive in Chrome, then drag the file and drop into the Google Drive window, upload. And that's it guys, your file from your computer is now safely uploaded to Google Drive. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.